It's May 17th, 2025, and you're watching Toledo News This Morning. I'm Jaden Jefferson. We're going to first begin with weather. In the National Weather Service forecast for Toledo, a high in the upper 60s and low in the lower 50s. There is also a chance of showers. To an update now in the work happening at I-475 and US 28 in Maumee. ODOT says it expects the interchange there, conceptually the same as the one at I-75 and Dixie Highway in Perrysburg, to open in July. Language for a ballot measure to eliminate property taxes in Ohio has been accepted by the State Attorney General's office. Those behind the proposal must now collect signatures from 44 of the state's 88 counties, with the amount from each county required to equal 5% of the voter turnout it had in the most recent gubernatorial election. From there, if the total number of signatures collected is equal to 10% of the statewide voter turnout, this very well could be an issue on the ballot for Ohioans: the fate of property taxes. Senate Bill 158 bans Ohio students from using their cell phone in the classroom. It passed in the state Senate this week, and now heads to the House, where based on the margin by which it passed the Senate, it will likely have broad support. Governor Mike DeWine has publicly expressed support for this effort, meaning that if SB 158 makes it to his desk, he is likely to sign it. The city of Toledo will be constructing a new raw water main that'll run from Lake Erie to the Collins Park Water Treatment Plant. So to provide the public with information about the project, the city is hosting a forum on Wednesday the 21st at 6 p.m. It'll be happening at Eisenhower Intermediate School in Oregon. Sticking with news about the city, it continues its series of block-by-block neighborhood cleanup events. This weekend, crews will be in the Star Raymer neighborhood of East Toledo. They'll be out today from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And as you can see in this notice released by the city, collecting only certain items. Anything left uncollected today will be on Sunday morning. May is Mental Health Awareness Month nationwide. According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, 1 in 5 U.S. adults are affected by mental illness annually, while 1 in 20 are impacted by serious mental illness. 1 in 6 of the country's youth, defined as ages 6 to 17, experience the effects of a mental health disorder annually. And in the 10 to 14 age group, according to the CDC, suicide is the second leading cause of death. If you or someone you know is feeling helpless in a mental health situation, 988 is the 24/7 caller text line. Help is available. Today, walks are being held in communities across the country, organized by the National Alliance on Mental Illness to raise awareness, but also combat the stigma and isolating nature that surrounds mental illness. Toledo's walk starts at 11:30 this morning at Middle Grounds Metro Park. Registration and check-in begin at 10 a.m. This week on my podcast, Behind the Byline, produced in partnership with the Toledo Free Press, I was joined by State Representative Michelle Grimm. She has introduced legislation aiming to reform the way medical debt is handled, calling it the Ohio Medical Debt Fairness Act. The bipartisan legislation caps the interest rate at 3%, prohibits the reporting of medical debt to credit bureaus, and would end the practice of wage garnishment as a means of paying that debt off. To listen to my full interview with Representative Grimm, head on over to ToledoFreePress.com. or just search Behind the Byline on Spotify. That is the news for this Saturday. I'm Jaden Jefferson. To see additional stories and for timely updates, connect with me on social media.